Imagine a world where cleaning train stations is faster, smarter, and eco-friendly. Welcome to the future of cleanliness. In Germany, innovative drones are already being used to clean massive glass roofs at railway stations. These high-tech machines make cleaning safer and more efficient than ever before. Equipped with AI technology, these drones detect areas that need cleaning and operate with minimal disruption. No more manual labor in hard-to-reach places. Not only does this reduce reliance on human workers in hazardous zones, but it also saves energy and resources. Studies show that multi-rotor cleaning drones are 40 times more efficient than traditional methods, use just 10% of the water, and remove over 90% of dust. From Germany to India, drones are revolutionizing how we maintain public spaces. Cleaner stations, happier travelers, and a greener planet. What's not to love? Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing innovations.